Years ago.
120.
Yeah, this is made by Pandeka people.
Bamboo.
Yeah, Pandeka. This
Pandeka.
village of Pandeka make this house, this museum in the zoo. Long time ago.
And the design from
design.
the idea of the people.
Renovation, innovation.
Yeah.
Every generation make the new motif, new innovation, deepen the order, deepen look like beautiful.
Yeah. Nice. And you paint also the color?
The first I make the mouth, the pattern. After pattern, we can beat it by this chisel. This second job, the first and the second. Yeah, and then by this chisel. This wood, they call it in Europe. They call it by cedar wood.
Cedar wood.
Cedar.
Yeah.
It's special for carving.
Only this wood.
Only this wood, because there is another wood here, but this is not good for carving. Not good grain. This good grain.
It's soft?
Soft, between soft and hard. Amicable. Amicable for carving.
And for the weather, you put some oil or something?
Yeah, like this. Shellac, varnish, shellac, and the oil paint.
Oil paint.
If you want to take in exterior of home, we have to give the oil paint. Many color. The name of Salimpat. And this carving, you can take a picture. This is the name of this carving is Itiak Pulang Patang. Itiak Pulang Patang. You know Itiak?
Yeah. Duck.
Duck. Yeah. Duck go home at evening. Yeah. Go to the rice field when go home. Yeah.
Like teamwork.
Like a community. Community work.
Community work. Yeah. And this one?
And this the name of this carving Kaluak Paku, Kacang Balimbiang.
And you use for
Kaluak, this Kaluak, this symbol of the man. And the flower symbol of the woman.
Nice.
And the man always menjaga, support this woman.
And you use what kind of design? Flowers? And...
Yeah, only flower motif, not normal motif.